I'll dance with you any night.
No more talk of darkness, forget these wide-eyed fears. I'm here, nothing can harm you. My words will warm and calm you. Let me be your freedom, let daylight dry your tears. I'm here, with you beside you, to guard you and to guide you.
Say you love me every waking moment. Turn my hand with talk of summertime. Say you need me, will you know I'll always promise me that all we say is true. That's all I ask of you.
Let me be your shelter, let me be your light, your safe. No one will find you, your fears are far behind you.
All I ask is freedom, a word with no more light, and you always beside me, to hold me and to hide me.
Let's say you'll share with me one love, one lifetime. Let me lead you from your solitude. Say you need me, with you here beside you. Anywhere you go, let me go too. Christine, that's all I ask of you.